sai đấy chị. Cái nó chị. Cái nó chị. Sẽ mất tiền nữa bởi vì nó chị vẫn nhé. Dạ ua. Sẽ đôi chị.
I did it.
See that right there?
Yeah, I know. It was an accident. Dad told me to.
Cái xe có chị nó cho tiền đấy mà cái xe. Có chị nó cho tiền đấy không?
Where's my shovel?
Cái xe.
Yeah, where's my shovel?
It's a bad. Louis left it in the snow.
Oh my goodness.
Louis left it.
That's my fire shovel. I'm gonna get stranded. What are you gonna do? You're gonna come pick me up?
Khana. Ôi chú khana.
Who's the one that just
I told you. It's Louis.
really?
She left it there.
You lost my shovel?
Sẽ chạy, có chị sẽ chạy.
Yeah. But it was right next to the sub. I mean,
Sẽ chạy có chị. Cái
but
xe.
it was right next to our house.
Cái xe nó cho tiền đấy nó cái xe. Nó cho tiền đấy khô. Chứ nó.
You guys gotta wear socks.
Ờ.
Go put socks on.
nó cho tiền đấy.
You
Cho
guys,
chung, những chị nó tốt.
Stop. You're going to make me.
you guys don't wear socks, the dirt's gonna stick to your feet. See? The dirt's gonna stick to your feet, and if you guys come in here,
Sẽ chạy có chưa?
you guys get dirty bed.
Baby nè.
So you guys gotta wear socks.
Baby, cái nó chưa? Mami.
Later on.
Nó chưa khốn nồng nè.
Do you need socks?
Yêu, có chưa? Thoại thế nè. Ừ. Sợ à bí?